So I'll get to it. Right, so today I'm going to be pruning this fruit tree, and the reason I'm doing it is simply because they're all getting too high. I've also got to do that one, but I'm not doing that today. I'm just going to do this one, and I'm going to be using my Stihl small electric chainsaw, probably the only electric thing I have, just because it's handy. And it's not a review or anything. I've had this for a while. I find it's a pain to have to charge things all the time. Got too much to do to spend all my time charging everything as well. So I mean, good, but yeah, the battery life is not good. Probably need to charge it every day, I reckon. Pretty simple to use though. Close the cover off, and there's a little button here. You just press it, tells you how much charge it's got. Everything there, it's full. I mean, they are handy for a couple of 1 or 2 things in there, but then I go to use it again, it's flat. I think it's about 250 bucks. So, not cheap. Yeah, this one will be about that high. Sometimes when you see inside like this, you've got that light green outside and really dark, it means it's going to die. I mean, these are all looking healthy, but I found that eventually that dies. Definitely not the ideal time to prune, but like I said earlier, it's not about the fruit, it's just about the size of this. They're more ornamental. They do get fruit on them, but I don't think they ever get picked or anything. And 3 bars already. Only done a few. Electric for you. I wish it was better, but it's not. Probably alright working around home if you've got a couple of things to do, but really I like to charge it after this job, and then that's it, it's got a use for the day. So my hand lock is right those. 2 bars. Bars still, just hanging on. This is doing the job. This is one job. You've got to do 5 or 6, so you'd probably need 5 or 6 spare batteries. That's all. There, putting it out in the middle. Job done. It's smaller. It is smaller now. Sort of stays within the rock edge. That's what sort of after. So the grass. Basically everything's got to be off the rock edge, except for some bigger trees, you know. Yeah, practically puts that one out of use for the day. Maybe get a couple of branches if I need to later on, but yeah, that's that. So now I've got to take all the rubbish away. That's going to take all the time. Anyway, let's neaten that one up. I'm just showing how far I've got to walk in between each trip. That's why I said it's going to take a lot longer to take away all the stuff. There we go, it takes around about a minute each way. 2 to 3 minutes each way. There's a different angle.